Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, and it's another backyard mechanic car repair video that we'll be making today. And we got this 2018 Ram 1500. So complaint of this car when you start it, you can hear squeaking sounds. So most likely this is serpentine belt issue. So let's duplicate the problem. The issue. So let's start the car. Oh yeah. Just a little bit. See that? I think it's the belt. And probably also the pulley. So we will be replacing the belt and the pulley. It's not really quick, really loud, but you can hear it from here. Okay, let's shut down the car. Let's check the belt. Oh yeah. Belt is already worn. Look at this, and this already is really worn. All right, so I guess we just need, hold on. Alright, so the way we remove the belt, I'm just using my 3/8 ratchet like this, and it's connected down there, and an extension. And then just to that. Now we can remove it. I don't know if I can show it to you over here. It's gonna be hard for me to film it. Okay, right there, I guess. That's it. And let's remove it. There you go. Nice. Let's just remove the belt. That's my 3/8. Okay. And then let's remove it. Put in here on the fan. There you go. That's the belt. Holy cow, look at this. And it's actually broken. Look at that. Oh boy. It's broken. And I think I'm going to replace this pulley too. I think this number 14. Okay, this fully right here. Okay, let's remove this. Right, so we're using number 13. Okay, wrench. Alright. Right, so we got the pulley. Oh yeah. It's pretty worn. Okay, let's just buy new parts. Alright, so get a new part. Put on first. Pulley. So that's the pulley. Let's put it on. Alright, so let's put on the pulley. So this is your bolt. Put some Loctite. Put it on. Alright, that's tight enough. And the belt. Let's put on the belt first. Insert it in here. Alright, so it goes there. Right, so that's how you put the the belt. I haven't put it on the tensioner yet. Sometimes you need to go underneath and install it in here, something like that. Alright, let's go on the top. Alright, let's put on the belt. So I'm using my 3/8 ratchet. And just like that, and then there you go. Oopsie, hold on. Okay, one more time. Okay. Alright. You see that? Go. Then just let it go. There you go. It's in. It's in. Just try to like. Perfect. Alright. So 3/8 here. Come on. There you go. It's my 3/8. Alright. Let's start the car and let's see how it goes. Right? Let's start the car. Perfect. Nice one. Perfectly aligned. Alright. So there you go. That's how you replace the Serpentine belt or drive belt and also pulley for 2017 Dodge Ram with a 5.7 liters engine. So this is another backyard mechanic car repair videos that I made for today. So if you have any question in this video, please comment down below, and also consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.